everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. Today in this video, we will learn about black soil. Make sure you watch this video till the end because today I am going to give you one super trick to remember all the features and characteristics of black soil. Here we go. As per the classification of soil, already we are done with alluvial soil. You might have seen the video. If not, I will share the link in description. Kindly go through that. So today we will start black soil. You can have a look how it looks. Now, black soil is a dark and rich soil found in the Deccan region of India, and it is produced by the weathering of volcanic rocks. These soils are often known as rigger soil or black cotton soil because it is ideal for the cotton crop. You can see here, this is cotton crop. Then formation of black soils, it is formed due to the weathering of volcanic lava rocks, and it is made up of extremely fine clay materials. अगर हम इसके composition की बात करें, so it is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. It is poor in phosphoric content. And characteristics, it has the capacity to hold moisture for a long time. These soils develop deep cracks in summer, and it helps in the aeration of soil. It means it is giving the space, the breathing to the soil, which is essential for the crops. The soil becomes very sticky when it is wet. Major crops grown in black soil are cotton and sugarcane. Now, where it is found in India, this is the outline map of India. You can see it is found in the Deccan Trap region of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. So this is the belt of black soil. Here is the super trick for characteristics of black soil. You need to ask 9 questions from yourself. First is, what is the color of the soil? So answer is, it is black in color. Second, what are the other names? Other names are rigger soil, cotton soil, or lava soil. Then third comes, what's about its formation? Yes, it is made up of lava flow and breakdown of volcanic rocks. And what is the special feature about it? The special feature of black soil is, this is the fourth answer, it is having the good capacity to hold moisture in it. And fifth is, it develops deep cracks during summer season and it becomes very sticky when it is wet. So sixth question you need to ask, what's about its chemical composition? Yes, it is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. Seventh is about, it is poor in phosphoric content. And eighth is, which are the crops grown in it? It is ideal for cotton and sugarcane. And the last 9th question you are supposed to ask, where it is found in India. So it is found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. So I hope you like this trick, students. And with these 9 questions, you are prepared with all the characteristics of black soil, and very easily you can crack a 5-mark question about the characteristics of black soil. I hope I have made this job very easy for you. Dear students, I suggest you to make a nice table about all the features of black soil. This will help you during the quick revision of examination. Like I have prepared here a table of black soil with all the features. Like first I have taken the soil, name of the soil is black soil. Quality, yes, it is ideal for cotton crop. Formation and classification, yes, it's formed due to lava rocks. अगर हम composition की बात करें तो yes, it is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. And it is ideal for cotton and sugarcane areas. Where it is found? It is found in Western Deccan Plateau. And अगर हम states की बात करें तो it is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. एक special feature की बात करें तो yes, black soil is having capacity to hold moisture. So this type, one by one, we will add on all the kinds of soil and we will prepare a huge table of all 6 kinds for the quick revision before examination. Let's see. This is the outline map of India. All these areas are covered by alluvial soil. We are already done with this. This all areas, northern plain and this eastern coastal plains. And this western Deccan Plateau area is covered by black soil. I hope you are clear about the black soil, and very soon I will come with my next video about red and yellow soil. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.